Imagine the universe. Now imagine a universe of information. Every single day, trillions of searches are made on Google, each one a tiny probe into this vast digital cosmos. But have you ever stopped to wonder how it all works? How does Google sift through this endless sea of data to deliver the precise answers we seek? The answer, my friends, lies in understanding the intricate workings of search engines. These technological marvels employ a combination of automated bots, complex algorithms, and a sprinkle of artificial intelligence. They help us navigate the overwhelming expanse of the internet. Join me as we embark on a journey to demystify the magic behind the Google search bar. At its core, a search engine's mission is to provide the most relevant and trustworthy results for every query. To achieve this, they perform three fundamental tasks: crawling, indexing, and ranking. Crawling is like sending out explorers to discover new lands. Indexing is like meticulously mapping those lands. And ranking is like recommending the best places to visit based on your interests. Together, these processes form the backbone of how search engines operate. Let's break down each step and understand how it contributes to the grand scheme of search. Each step is like a piece of a puzzle. When combined, they form a complete picture of how search engines understand and organize the web. Our exploration begins with the tireless workhorses of the search engine world, bots, also known as spiders or crawlers. These automated programs are the unsung heroes of the digital age, tirelessly working behind the scenes to make sure we can find the information we need at the click of a button. These automated programs are the intrepid explorers of the internet. They are designed to navigate the vast and intricate web of information that makes up the internet. Much like a spider weaving its web, they constantly scour the web, following links from one page to another, much like you would click through websites. But unlike a human, these bots can do this at an incredible speed, visiting thousands of pages in a matter of seconds. Imagine them as digital explorers charting the vast expanse of the internet. They venture into every nook and cranny, uncovering hidden gems of information that might otherwise go unnoticed. They diligently follow every link, venturing into the deepest corners of the web. No page is too obscure or too remote for these digital adventurers. With each visit, bots carefully analyze and store information about the pages they encounter. They look at everything from the text on the page to the images and even the overall structure of the website. They take note of the words on the page, the images used, and even the structure of the website itself. This meticulous process ensures that the search engine has a comprehensive understanding of each page. All of this data is then fed back into the search engine's massive index, a comprehensive catalog of the web. This index is what allows search engines to quickly and accurately return relevant results when you perform a search. It's a constantly evolving database, growing and changing as the web itself grows and changes. Once the bots have done their job, the search engine is left with a treasure trove of data. These bots, often referred to as spiders or crawlers, tirelessly scour the internet, indexing every piece of content they encounter. They gather information on everything from blog posts to product pages, creating a vast digital library. This is where algorithms step in, the master organizers of this digital library. These sophisticated programs sift through the enormous amount of data collected by the bots, categorizing and prioritizing it in a way that makes sense. Algorithms are sets of rules that help the search engine understand which pages are the most relevant and authoritative for a given search query. They consider a multitude of factors such as keyword usage, site structure, and even user engagement metrics. Think of it like this. You ask a librarian for a book on astrophysics. The librarian, with their extensive knowledge of the library's catalog, knows exactly where to look. The librarian, using their knowledge of the library's system, quickly identifies the most relevant books based on your request. They might consider the author's reputation, the book's publication date, and how often it has been checked out. Algorithms do the same thing, but on a much grander scale. They analyze vast amounts of data, taking into account hundreds of factors to ensure the most relevant and authoritative pages are presented to the user. They analyze hundreds of factors to determine which web pages deserve a coveted spot on the first page of search results. These factors include the quality of the content, the number of backlinks, the site's loading speed, and even the user's location and search history. The goal is to provide the most accurate and helpful results possible. ensuring users find exactly what they're looking for. Section 5 for PageRank, the popularity contest of the web. One of the key factors in this ranking process is something called PageRank. Invented by Google's founders, PageRank is like, well, a popularity contest for websites. It measures the importance of a web page by looking at how many other pages link to it. Think of it as a measure of reputation. Imagine a scholar who's frequently cited by their peers. The more citations they receive, the more influential they become in their field. Similarly, websites with many high-quality backlinks are seen as more valuable and trustworthy by search engines, boosting their position in the rankings. Section 6. The keyword is king: unlocking relevant results. Another crucial element in the ranking process is the use of keywords. These are the words and phrases that people type into the search bar when looking for information. When you type "best chicken rice recipe" into Google, you're telling the search engine what you're looking for. Keywords act as signposts, guiding search engines to the most relevant content. Websites that use these keywords strategically within their content headings and descriptions are more likely to appear higher in the search results for those specific queries. Section 7 Backlinks, votes of confidence from the web. We've already touched upon the importance of backlinks in the context of PageRank, but their significance goes beyond mere popularity. Backlinks act as votes of confidence from other websites. When a reputable website links to your content, it's like a stamp of approval, signaling to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Think of it like this. You're more likely to trust a restaurant recommendation from a friend who has good taste in food than from a random online review. Similarly, search engines place more weight on backlinks from high-quality, relevant websites, as they indicate the credibility and value of the linked content. Section 8. The personal touch. Tailoring results just for you. Now here's where things get even more fascinating. Search engines don't just blindly follow algorithms and keywords. They also consider your personal preferences and context to deliver a more tailored search experience. Your location, the device you're using, your past search history, all these factors come into play, shaping the results you see. For example, if you search for best coffee shops, Google is more likely to show you local options based on your current location. This personalization ensures that you get the most relevant and useful information for your specific needs. Section 9. Beyond the search bar. Understanding the power in your hands. As we conclude our journey into the world of search engines, it's important to remember that this knowledge is not just for tech wizards and SEO specialists. It's for everyone. Whether you're a student researching for a project, a professional looking to stay updated in your field, or a curious mind wanting to explore new topics, understanding search engines can significantly enhance your online experience. Understanding how search engines work empowers us all to navigate the digital world more effectively. It gives us the tools to find accurate information quickly, discern credible sources from unreliable ones, and even protect our privacy by knowing what data is being collected and how it's used. By understanding the basics of crawling, indexing, ranking, and the role of factors like keywords and backlinks, we can make more informed decisions about our online interactions. This knowledge can help us optimize our own content to reach a wider audience, whether it's a blog, a business website, or social media posts. Whether we're searching for information, promoting our businesses, or simply browsing the web, this knowledge gives us a greater understanding of the forces shaping our online experiences. It allows us to be more strategic in our searches, saving time and effort, and ensuring we get the most relevant results. So, the next time you type a query into that deceptively simple search bar, remember the intricate dance of algorithms, bots, and data that makes it all possible. Think about the vast network of servers and the complex software working tirelessly to bring you the most relevant information in mere seconds. You hold the power to unlock a universe of information, one search at a time. With each search, you are not just finding answers, you are participating in a global exchange of knowledge, contributing to and benefiting from the collective intelligence of the digital age.